There's an endless accord of life to live. God gave me the free will to live it. In confidence and each grace, I seek His face. I am restless until I rest in His embrace. I've met countless people in my life. Each one left an imprint on my heart. And as time goes by, it remains ever new. The endless assertion of love that's true. With God's love, I express my gratitude as I reflect back on life in my solitude. He guided my hands to form a masterpiece. He called me and said, "This is the life you have to live." As I hold on to life in love and harmony, and there were apprehensions and uncertainty, happiness and pain feeding together. Everything has a reason more than ever. Steering time, searching for the answer, keeping courage to stand for the welfare of others. I grew as a person with a great reason to live and work my life through my vocation. With God's love, I express my gratitude as I reflect back on life in my solitude. He guided my hands to form a masterpiece. He called me and said, "This is the life you have to live." God's handiwork showed me direction, set my life and my disposition, recalling back to years of commitment and love. I'm secured and assured over and above. With God's love, I express my gratitude as I reflect back on life in my solitude. He guided my hands to form a masterpiece. He called me and said, "This is the life you have to live." He called me and said, "This is the